Hey, how's it going? Let's talk short form video. We know short form video, sure, it's vertical, everybody knows that. But what are some tactics and strategies that you can use to get the most out of your short form video content? Tip number one is you need to start with a strong hook. There can't be any rambling, any wasted time, or else people will swipe away. For example, you might be making a short form video about how to get more eyes on your Instagram content. Well, don't just say,
hey, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to get more eyes on my short form content on Instagram.
No, that's boring. That's not a good hook. Instead, you're gonna wanna say something like, here's the best way that you can get eyes on your content that nobody's talking about. People are most likely to swipe away in those first 5 seconds. So you really need to hook them in and do it fast. The second tip I would give is to have a strong CTA. Maybe it's something as simple as, hey, swipe up for more tips on social media. Maybe it's as simple as, hey, don't forget to hit subscribe. Or maybe it's, hey, don't forget to follow for more tips. Algorithms, whether it's Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, it doesn't matter, will punish you if people are swiping away before the end of the video. Another little crafty tip that you can use is you can also put the CTA in the middle of the video. Ah, how annoying. A mid-video, mid-roll ad. Wow, so annoying. Well, this isn't annoying. This is a free trial for Agorapulse. Check it out in the description below. You can get a free trial today. Get started with Agorapulse. You can manage your social media channels all in one place. And hey, you can listen in on what the competition's doing as well. If you want to pretend you're a spy or something, that's pretty cool. See you later. Using the example earlier, maybe you're showing somebody how to get more views on Instagram. Well, in the middle of that tutorial, if you just pop in there quickly and say, hey, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, there you go. Now you've got your CTA embedded. People are still hooked because they want to know the end of how it all turns out. What's the amazing tip that you're going to share? And you're going to get your CTA in there a little bit early so you can play with that and see what works best for you. Now, most platforms, whether it's Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, you name it, they will have little graphs where you can see viewer retention. Look at this graph. That's super helpful because you can see if people are clicking off your video or swiping when you're talking about your CTA. You don't want people to click off on your CTA. The third tip I have is make sure you have no wasted seconds. Not even a millisecond needs to be wasted on a short form video. If I make a piece of short form video content and I'm talking to you like I'm talking now, I would cut out a pause like that. That pause is just enough to get people to want to scroll. If I'm not talking fast enough, I will cut out millisecond pauses just so that the video is snappy, it's fast, it's catchy. Visually, your short form video should pop, whether you're following a trend or making something on your own. Make sure that there's nice visuals on the screen. It looks good, the camera quality is good, but most importantly, make sure that you cut out any of those pauses, those ums, those ahs. We don't need them. The fourth tip I have is make sure that you're using good quality audio. It is imperative that you have good quality audio for your short form videos, as that is one of the prime reasons why people will swipe away and not watch your content. There's so many different options for audio. You can use a more expensive shotgun microphone like I'm using now. You can use a lavalier microphone, whatever it is, just look into different options for you. Even if you have just an iPhone, you can buy plug-in lav mics for your iPhone or your Android, and you can plug them in and you can just have that little bit better audio quality, which will help you massively. Whether it's a camera or a phone, whatever it may be, make sure you are close, because in general, the closer you are to your audio source, the better the sound quality will be. It's also worth going on something like Free Sound or getting your own music subscription service so you can use copyright-free music. It's exciting, that's interesting, because hey, there's nothing that makes your video more engaging than a great soundtrack to go with the video. And the fifth tip that I'm going to give is you need to have captions on your short form video. That's right, captions are so important. The vast majority of people will watch your video with the sound off, so you need to have legible captions so people don't scroll. You can use a program like Descript, which will help caption your video for you. You can use something like Instagram's auto captions. Check out my video here where I talk about how to do it. I recommend using a very easy to read font, usually a sans serif font is easier to read. Make sure that it stands out enough from the background. Maybe use like a stroke or something on the text so that it stands out from the background. That's super helpful. And hey, make sure that you only have one line of text on the screen at a time. Don't just start putting paragraphs on the screen. It's just way too much. It clutters up the space and it's hard to read. There you have it. Those are my 5 top tips for how you can be an absolute professional when it comes to short form video strategies and tactics. And hey, we got tons of great content coming your way all the time.